premature reverberation.
Alright, y'all. Today we're making this bad boy right here. It's a tongue made out of spray foam. Hope you all enjoy. Alright, y'all. In order to make this tongue, we're going to be using insulating gaps and cracks foam from GE. You can get this at your local Walmart for about $3 a can. And a spray bottle and paint. Alright, also I'm going to lay this out on what's this called? Wax paper. So I'm going to shake this up real good. Make sure this thing's working alright. Alright. Now we're just gonna make cheese gel. Now y'all make sure y'all keep your can lids clean. If not, you're gonna waste your material real quick. Hold on. Alright. First, we are going to wet our paper down real good so our foam doesn't stick to the paper. Excuse me. Then we're going to make basic shape of the tongue. Alright, there you go. Now we're going to mix this very good. And we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes or so until it starts getting the skin on it. And then we're going to start forming it into what we want it to look like. Okay, so unfortunately I have to shoot this whole sequence again because the last time I did it I screwed up. Did something stupid and I didn't press play or record, my bad. So here we go. Let's do this. So basically this has been sitting for like 3 to 5 minutes. Just gonna play with it a little bit. Give it the basic shape. One thing I figured out, this thing is, it's not going to expand anymore. I guess because of the water or what have you. But I'm going to make it work. This one might look different from the last one that I made. Which I'm sure you'll figure out once you watch the video, but it is what it is. So, here we go. Let's just play with it. Get it off the paper. Bring it into shape. Yes, sir. It's kind of like Dell. Playing with Dell. I mean, This is going to start drying kind of quick. It's going to be like all of a sudden. Yes, sir. Alright. And yes, I'd advise you to use gloves on this. Don't be like me. Oh, yeah, you use gloves, why should I? Don't do what I do, alright? It's not good for you. This stuff is like ink. They get everywhere quick. You won't even know it's there. Alright. There you go. We got our basic shape of the tongue. Now we're going to start doing little details in it. Put a little slit down the middle, just like an actual tongue. You see it's starting to dry already. Put some holes in there, here and there, everywhere. Alright, now we're going to get the curvature in there. It's just going to be coming out the mouth like that. Coming up a little bit. That there. As you can see, I still got paint on my hands for the last one that I already did. Just getting in there a little bit. Sorry, though. It's all gonna be painted. See that? It's pretty much basic shape and everything else. Just back up. It's a tongue. There you go. See here. They make these all day. It's pretty neat. Here's the other one that I made for the video. And I didn't record because some unknown reason. But we'll get it. We got it together. There you go. Now we're going to let this dry just a little bit more. And then we're going to slap it with some paint. I didn't think I'd be able to do this, to be honest with you. But it's pretty easy. Just have to kind of work fast as soon as you start setting up. Get your form in there, you know what I mean? Yep. Be hanging out the mouth like that. Put this up a little tiny bit. Cover her up. Got a little dipper do there. Oh yeah. She likes that. Yeah. There you go. It's that tongue. It's that tongue I'm talking about. She's working with. Yes, sir. Now, it's just about ready. You can form it a little bit more when you, as you paint it. It's up to you. But that's it. That's the tongue. I mixed this up early for the other tongue. It is red and pink. Basically, just gonna take and coat it. Here's a good coat. Hey, that thing is something else. I kinda like this one better than the other one. This keeps getting better as long as keeps getting better as you go. You know what I mean? Now I'm just gonna do what I did with the first one, which was I took this tool right here, basically stuck it in the end of it. You can find my smaller one. The smaller one works a little better. This one. Stick it in the end right there. Where we can put it on your prop, you're not gonna see that stuff. Stick it in the end while it's still pliable a little bit. There you go. Now you take it and put this up to where you don't gotta worry about your paint job getting messed up. Sorry about the background noises. My girlfriend's up there taking a shower. It gets kind of noisy down here. She's about to take a shower up there. It's all good there. There you go. It is a big one. Yes, sir. Well, there you go. There's your tongue. I'm just gonna hang her up and let her dry. And We'll do a little bit of detail work later on, but this is basically it. Gotta figure out which tongue I'm gonna use for my prop. Both of them are pretty good. Alright, so I screwed up. It's one video. I had to make actually 2 videos, but I'm gonna put them both together. But this is the main tongue that I'm using. I like this one a little bit better than this one. Yeah. This one. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all liked the video. Let me know in the comments below. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share on your social medias. And go make something.